Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Ford Focus Trend hatch, stock reference number 4781. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand fog light with surround, left hand fog light with surround, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door has 1 small dent. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a black cloth interior, black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.